Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today is Waakye, yes, and I'm going to share my two ways or my two methods of preparing Waakye. I know Waakye is one of the favorite food of Ghanaians and we love it, yes. So today we are going to learn the two ways of cooking this. Thank you so much for always watching me. I am grateful. If today is your first time visiting my channel, please do well to subscribe and click on the notification bell, okay? So let's get started with the first method. We are using this white beans and it's 3 cups, that is 6 cups of this cup is measured in Ghana half cup, and so I'm using 6 of this, making 3 cups. So I soaked it overnight and I am washing it, and we are going to cook this. And so please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and do well to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you will see. So we have cooked the beans to the softness that I want. Yes, this is how I want it to be. And I'm adding my salt, so adjust the quantity of the salt to your preference. I'm going to use our waakye leaves, our usual waakye leaves. Yes, so cut them into the sizes that you want, and I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook to get the color. So this is it. And what I am going to do is I'm going to take the leaves out. Now you can choose to leave the leaves in and add your rice, but I usually take the leaves out because I don't want to stress myself after cooking the waakye. Then I will spend time to pick everything out, no. And so what I do is I usually take the leaves out, yes, and I'm adding 2 cups of rice. Yes, that is 2 cups in Ghana cup, and so I'm using 3 cups of the beans and then 2 cups of what? Rice. Hope you get it. You can make it equal 3 cups of rice, 3 cups of beans. But I usually want more of the beans. Okay, so what I'm doing is I have the leaves that I removed in water. I'm going to boil it, and that is the water I will use in case I need excess water or extra water for my waakye. So we are checking on the waakye now. And we are going to add water to it. So I've boiled, yes, and I'm adding that water to it, and I've added extra water to the leaves again, and it's on fire boiling. Yes, okay, so just stir everything up, and then we'll cover and give it time for it to cook. Yes, please like this video for me, share, leave a comment as well. Okay, so let's check on it again. Now it depends on how soft you want it. At this point, if you want it very soft like me, then I'm going to add extra water. But if you don't want it very soft, just leave it at this point and cover with your napkin. But I want it very soft, so I'm adding extra water to it. Yes, and then stir everything up, and I'm going to cover this with a napkin and then reduce the fire and allow it to cook very well. So let's check on our waakye now. Yes, it's ready, almost ready. Yes, and so for me, I wanted that soft now to me and it's the bankuno. Yes, so at this point my waakye is ready, and so this is the first method how I go about with the leaves. So my waakye is 100% ready now. Yes. So this is it. Okay, so this is our waakye, our first method, and we are going to do the second method. And with the second method, I'm going to make use of red beans. Yes, this one I didn't soak it because I will need much of the color. Yes, normally when you soak the red beans for the next day, you realize that it will take most of the color out. So I didn't soak it. So just take the bad ones from it, wash it, and we are going to cook these beans to its softness level. Yeah, so the beans is soft now. It's soft, so you see. So this one too is the same measurement, that is 3 cups, but at this time, or at this point, I'm going to make use of 2.5 cups of rice. Okay, so I just added my salt and I'm adding extra water. Yes, we need enough water to cook this. And I'm going to add my rice well washed. Yes, so I'm using 2.5 cups of rice for this. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video for me, click the notification bell. It helps so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. And hey, subscription is free. Okay, share this video with someone, comment for me. So we are checking on our waakye again, and we are going to stir it up, and we are going to give it a little bit of water. Yes, for me, I love the waakye to be soft. So cover, checking it on it again, and then I will add water to it at this point. Yes, add water to it. And so just adjust the quantity of the water to your preference. It depends on how soft you want it. You get it. So I'm adding extra water. Okay, then after, we are going to cover with a napkin and then reduce the fire to a medium heat, or lower it. Yes, and then the steam will cook it very well. Yes. Okay. Please subscribe to this channel for me, like and share the video. Okay, so let's check on it again. Yes, it's getting ready. It's not fully ready, it's getting there. Yes, so our waakye is getting there. You know, if you have used red beans alone to cook waakye, you know the outcome. But because of the camera and the daylight, you might not see the color well, and so I changed the napkin because it was wet. It was wet, so I have to change it. So our waakye is now ready. Yes. So these two methods, which one are you going to choose? Me, I usually go for the red beans because the stress is not that much. But hey, any of the methods taste so great. So this is our second method of preparing waakye, looking so sumptuous and ready to be enjoyed. So let's serve ourselves some waakye, and we are using some leaves. Do you know that when your waakye is wrapped in these leaves, it adds some nice flavor to it? I'm adding some macaroni or talia to it. I don't know why they stopped using the leaves and now it's rubber. And I have my gari here. I added water and a bit of oil to it to mix it. And I'm also adding it, just as the way they do it there. Just as the way Amalia does it. Yes, and I'm adding some fried plantain. This is my waakye stew. I have the recipe on the channel. Check it out and then enjoy the recipe. You will love it. Okay. So some fish, some egg, and some wele also. Yes. So and some cow meat. So this is my shito, waakye shito. Yes. So I have the recipe also there. Check it out. I'll leave the link there for you to watch. Okay, so guys, this is it for our waakye recipe. You will love every drop of it. So give this recipe a try if you have not yet done so. And I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Like and share this video for me. Do well to click on the notification bell to get notification whenever I upload a video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.